To get wrinkles out of polyester, add a gentle detergent and fabric softener to your washer and launder the garment at the temperature recommended on the tag. As soon as the cycle ends, put the item in the dryer and tumble it for 15 to 20 minutes on the permanent press setting. Take the garment out of the dryer and hang it up immediately. Wait for it to cool completely before folding it or wearing it. If you're in a hurry, you can iron polyester. Put the iron on the lowest temperature setting. Turn the garment inside out and spray it with plain water until it's damp but not soaking wet. Lay it out flat on an ironing board and cover it with a thin, dry towel or t-shirt. Go over the item with the iron 2 to 3 times. Then hang it up to cool and dry.